It is Friday morning, the last day of July, and I think it's supposed to rain. I mean, I hope it does tomorrow. So I'm just taking a quick video here. I have green beans to freeze and peach jam to make, and I think more corn to do. I wanted to show you where Stan chopped down and pickles to give away. I've got a whole dishpan. I don't know what happened this year. Normally I'm not complaining. Normally the cucumbers get beetles or diseases or I don't know, blight, something. This year they're super healthy. Okay, so now the lima beans will get more light because he's chopped down all the corn. And there's those cucumbers. We've got 3 different kinds of cucumbers. Not quite sure how that happened. Yeah, they're crazy. Thankfully, oh, look at all those blooms on the lima beans. Huh. Okay. Thankfully, the tomatoes are not ready yet, so I'm hoping I'll be done with the peaches, at least all but the contender, the later peach, be done with them before I start doing that tomato plant, before I start doing tomatoes. Oh my, look how tall this is. Okay, that's probably, I'm 5'3". That's a 6-foot tomato plant there. It's taller than the sweet corn. Oh boy, okay. Asparagus still seems to be growing. Yeah, everything's oh, I had goldfinch out here this morning, which is nice. And I also heard a northern flicker. Not sure which tree he's hiding out in. Yeah, way too many green beans. I think 1 row next year is enough. We don't need 1, 2, 3.5 rows. Crazy. Same with look at those cucumbers. It's insane. Pretty crazy. Oh my goodness. And I was complaining about the elderberries before. Oh, cucumber. I can't walk. Anyway, I was complaining about them, but wow. That's a lot of elderberries. Look at that. Look at that. My big problem now is room in the freezer for everything. It is a jungle. Okay, back to the kitchen, back to work. Thanks for watching.